this is Miss Ada here. Welcome to Global Village Montessori Online Lesson Time. I hope you're all doing well today. As for this week, we are going to focus on science. We're going to have some science experiments, and also we are going to do some fun arts relating to the science. Now let's get started. Today we are going to do the sink or float science experiment. You will need a container with water inside and also a few objects here. Have you gathered all your materials? Great. Now let's get started. This is a leaf. Let's try and see what's gonna happen to the leaf when we put it in the water. What do you think? Sink or float? That's right, float. The leaf is floating in the water. Now I would like to try the apple. What do you think? Yes, the apple is floating in the water. Next, let's try the marble ball. Sink or float? Yes, sink. And this is a cork. Float. This is a coin. Sink. All right. Now once you finish the science experiment, you can keep it here on your table. And can you also take out this worksheet? Let's work on the floaters and sinkers worksheet. Now I have the leaf. As we can see, the leaf is floating in the water. Let's glue it. It's floating here. And we have two labels. One is it will float, it will sink. As we know that the leaf is floating, so let's glue it will float over here. Next, apple. Apple is floating here. That's right. Let's glue it here. And also the label, it will float. What about the cork? That's right, the cork is floating. Again, let's glue it here. And also the label, choose the label, it will float. And let's check the marble. The marble sinks in the water. So let's glue it here in the water. And we're going to choose the label. It will sink. Last, we have the coin. The coin sinks in the water. And we are going to glue the label down here. Now let's review the beginning sound. Do you have this worksheet ready? All right, let's get started. Write your name first. Did you write your name? Good. All right, let's take a look at the first picture. What is this? Yes, it's a yummy carrot. What do you hear first in the word carrot? That's right. K, 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 for carrot. K. Letter C makes k sound. Next, this is a fork. Fork. That's right. Letter F makes f sound. Oh, I can see a yum yum watermelon. Watermelon, what do you hear first? Wa, wa. That's correct. W makes w sound. Here I see some bananas. Banana. B, b. Letter B makes b sound. What about mushroom? Can you hear the first sound? Mmm. Mmm. Letter M makes mmm sound. What about pineapple? Pineapple. That's right. Letter P makes p sound. Okay. Once you finish this worksheet, we are going to review living things or non-living things. Again, write your name first. And we are going to cut out all these smaller pictures before we paste. Let's cut it together. All right. Now before we paste it, let's review living things or non-living things. What can living things do? Yes, living things can grow, can move by themselves, and it can breathe. And yes, they need to eat some food. They need to drink water. Yes, so those are living things. What about non-living things? Right, non-living things, they cannot grow, they cannot breathe, and they don't need to eat food or drink waters. Right? So now let's take a look at the first one. A cake. Yes, cake is a non-living thing. So we will paste it here. Now this is a flag. Flag is a non-living thing. It doesn't grow, doesn't move by itself, doesn't breathe. Frog. Frog is a living thing. That's right. It grows, it moves by itself, and also it breathes. What about the jug? Non-living things. This is a glue. Non-living thing. This is a bat, non-living thing. What do you think of the cat? Yes, living thing. What about the little boy? Living thing. What about the butterfly? Yes, living thing. What about the little girl? Yes, exactly, living thing. So we just did the living things or non-living things worksheet. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and have a good day. Bye.